Although the frequency of shark attacks is relatively erratic, shark experts warn that great whites are lurking at some of the most popular beaches in the world. When a shark is in attack mode, try to make yourself as big as possible in the water. If you get bitten and the shark doesn't let go, you should try to poke them in the eye because the eyes and gills are very sensitive. Also, if the shark gets close enough, swiftly punching the tip of the nose can cause the shark to retreat for a small amount of time, allowing you to have more time to swim away. If you happen to spot sharks in the water, you should get out as soon as possible. Get away from sharks that might come back for a second attack and get as far away as possible from the shark that happened to see you. If you do not get out of the water immediately, the angle of the shark can be the difference between life and death. It's better to be bitten on the leg than the upper body. Some sharks won't approach the shore. Swimming in a group not only makes a shark attack less likely, but also increases the chances of getting help for the victim if they are bitten. If you are in the water and there is no shark to be seen, you can increase your chance of survival by securing yourself against a reef or a rock pillar and successfully defending yourself against the attack. Stay in groups while you're in the water, as sharks are more likely to attack a person on their own. When a shark is swimming towards you, you should try to turn your face away from the shark and get out of the water as quickly as possible, quickly and calmly. The odds of being attacked by a shark are 1 in 11.5 million, according to the long-standing database. To put things into perspective, they have the same chances of being struck by lightning. On average, a shark attack on a human, even a minor one, is fatal.